advance of YouTube. It's Shayla with singing a new song, and I'm here with another Azure haul video for you guys. Today's going to be super fun though, because not only am I doing an Azure haul video for you, I'm actually going to take you on a little clean with me. And it's because, as you can see, today's focus, or this last haul's focus, was cleaning products. And the reason for that is I really needed to restock cleaning supplies, and especially my professional cleaning cloths. So that is what I focused on for this order. It does not look like a very big order, but I think this order has a little bit of a bang to it. So stay tuned. Let's take a look at what we've got. For starters, and because I know I'm going to forget if I don't tell you first, right behind me back there, you can see I did get a big, huge bag of oats again. The rolled oats, organic oats, and I like to get organic oats. I mentioned it in a previous Azure Standard haul, but if you haven't seen it, one of the reasons I like to get organic oats is because there has been found to be a lot of Roundup and glyphosates in traditionally farmed oats. So that's why I have started recently buying organic oats as often as I possibly can. First up are these E-Cloth non-scratch, well, they say non-scratch, and they're scrubbing pads. And I'm really excited about these because I'm just gonna straight up and say right here, I am a huge, huge fan of Norwex, but I'm looking for another company that is comparable to Norwex, because although I will continue buying from Norwex and love the company, I do want to have another source for you guys in case Norwex is out of your budget. I don't know anything about this company really at all. All I know is that Azure has been carrying E-Cloth products for a while now, and Azure never carries products that are not really good. So I'm excited to try these out. These do feel really comparable to the Norwex ones. This company has apparently been around since 1995. It says they've been changing the way people clean. There's a smarter, healthier, and simple way, and you've got your hands on it. Ooh, I'm excited. Similar to Norwex, these clean without chemicals. They have cloths for many different needs, which you will see in a minute here. This big, huge package is an 8 cloth set. So we're gonna open these, we're gonna try them out. We're gonna clean with them in a little bit too. So these come, it looks like everything comes with a little pamphlet on how to take care of your e-cloths, but it says e-cloth is easy, ecological, economical, efficient, effortless, environmental, essential, everywhere, every day. Oh, it says it removes over 99% of bacteria, so that is super cool. All right, you guys, this is going to be interesting in a minute. I bought the deep clean mop head, but I forgot to measure my mop head behind me right over there to see if this one's going to fit on it. Now, Azure does sell the mop that goes with these, but I didn't need a whole mop system because I already have a really good one that I love. It's a bamboo one. So we're going to see if this one's going to fit. I didn't measure to see beforehand. I should have done that. Well, hey, it works. It fits. It is a little big. It's, as you can see, it's just a little big, but it works on the mop head that I have. So, hey, if you've got your own mop system and you don't need a whole new system, you just need some more cleaning pads, it looks like this will work on it. Under the how to use section, it says you would use this with the deep clean mop or the aqua spray deep clean mop. It's for use on laminate, vinyl, tiles, and stone flooring. The special weave breaks up and holds grease and dirt. So you can wet this mop head and use it that way, and you would just wring it out, it says. So I didn't realize when I bought this that this one is for wet use, it looks like, not just for sweeping. So that is cool. Here I have the Flexi Edge floor and wall duster head. But you know what I didn't do, guys? Apparently there's a duster that I need to get to go with this, and I didn't get that. I didn't see it. Well, I will be getting that on my next Azure haul. So I guess with this, it won't work on the mop head because it's not Velcro. So I'm gonna have to wait till next month to use this. I guess I had an airhead moment there. So this is something I'm super happy to have. I have lately fallen just crazy head over heels over dusting gloves. And I find they're just so much easier, and they're fast. So I got one this month. I'll probably get another one next month, but this is the dusting glove, and it's huge, you guys. It's really big. So this is for like very, very large hands. It's losing just a little bit of fibers, but I'm sure that's probably normal. I guess I will let you know in the comments if it keeps losing them. It says easy, efficient, removes dust and allergens. Woohoo! Effective, gets into the hard to reach areas. It's environmental, it requires no chemicals. Extra thick, it says they're positively charged particles, so the static electricity will help to pick up dust. There's a 3-year promise. This is the big package. When I went to buy it, it was very expensive, and for a minute I couldn't understand why is this one cloth so expensive, and then I realized it's not one cloth, it's several cloths. It says there's 8 cloths in here. Again, it looks like they come with the instructions right here. It says what's inside: a large waffle weave window cloth. We've got 2 glass and polishing cloths here, so I'm excited to see how well these work, and I needed more of these so badly. So I don't know if you've ever used window washing cloths before, but I will never use anything again other than window washing cloths if I have a say about it, because window washing cloths are the best. It says right on some of these what they're used for, and I really like that they're different colors so the kids won't get confused when they go to use these. But this one is the bathroom cloth. It's super duper soft. This is the range and stove cloth. It's really interesting. So the blue on here is scrubby, and this part is polishing. That's interesting. I am so excited to see how that works. This is a window cloth, so I'm assuming these must be to dry the window with, and this must be to wash the window with and get all of the sticky fingerprints off. Well, maybe you don't have sticky fingerprints. I've got lots of sticky fingerprints on my windows. And then we have another stainless steel cloth here. So this is really similar to this one. This one has some scrubbies, but they're not quite as scrubby. This one is super soft. It feels like, oh my gosh. This is a dusting cloth. This is going to be fun to use. I'm going to enjoy using this. It's very, very soft, but my calluses don't get caught on it. Oh, this is fun. Look at it. It's got a little pocket, a little scrubby pocket here. This is the kitchen cloth. I'm gonna have to read up on what I can and can't use this on. I'm wondering if this can be used on greasy things, and if so, if the grease will wash out of this cloth easily. You guys, it looks like Christmas here. Look at this, I made a big mess. I'm trying out some Azure Clean Royal Throne toilet bowl cleaner. I don't know how well it's going to work on our toilets, because our toilets are, well, we have super duper hard water. In fact, we've only been in this home for 3 years, and we have had to replace one of the toilets twice because of the hard water. That's how hard the water is. So I'm excited to see if this is going to work on our super hard water. Let's move on to the last bit here of my Azure haul, and these are non-cleaning items. So I'm trying to cut back on coffee, and I decided to get some Ticino. I've used it before and I like it. This is a French roast organic Ticino blend, and this, okay, another airhead moment. I wanted to do something special for the kids, so I got them this cocoa. It's organic cocoa because it's, you know, fall and they've been wanting more cocoa lately. So I decided, hey, I'm going to surprise them with this really nice cocoa. And I got it and was unpacking it and realized, oh, it's spicy cocoa. So essentially I got this, I guess, for me and my 3 oldest kids. I'm going to have to get something else for the younger ones. Last up, you guys, if you've been enjoying my backyard garden videos, you know that, or perhaps you know that there's a section of the backyard where the garden is, where the soil is so poor. And I was watching a video that was actually done by David Stelzer and Sarah Isaac. And in the video, they were talking about how to restore soil. They had several tips. One of them was to take the autumn leaves as they fall off the trees and put that over the soil to help rebuild. Don't throw those leaves away. Just keep them and put them on the soil. And they gave several other tips, but one of the tips was, I will link to that video below. Anyways, one of the tips was to do a winter crop. I went ahead and I purchased one of the suggested grains. It's actually going to snow soon, so we need to get this on the ground very soon and work it in a little bit. But this is going to be our winter crop to help rebuild the soil in our backyard. Okay, so I've shown you guys everything. Let's get started cleaning. So as you could see, the toilet bowl was super stained with hard water and minerals. This is the only thing that's ever worked on getting it clean. So I'm really hoping to replace this with that. So this is working. I can't believe this is working. Oh wow. I cannot believe it. Move over, Lysol. We have a new cleaner in town. It did it. What is in this stuff that makes it work so well? Aha, I knew it. So the active ingredient in that toilet cleaner that got the toilet cleaned so well was citric acid. And citric acid is the big surprise I was saving for last to tell you guys about. Citric acid is a food preservative, but it's also an amazing cleaner, and I have been using it lately and getting everything in my house so much cleaner. So this is going to be a really strong citric acid solution. It's got 4 tablespoons. Normally you can do just 2 tablespoons and 2 cups of water, but I wanted a really strong decalcifier for the shower doors and the water faucets. This is a funnel. I believe I got this funnel from Azure years ago. So I like the looks of these a lot better than these, and these have a lot of plastic in them, and I don't think they're going to last as long, so I'm kind of excited to get rid of these and use these instead. These are super scrubby. They're definitely effective. So the vote is in on the e-cloth. Definitely worth every penny. I have loved every single one of the rags I have used so far except for the window cloth. I think I'm going to like it. I just need to learn how to use it. It appears as though when you're using it, you do not need to rub down the windows and mirrors dry, which is how it is with the Norwex cleaning cloth, so there's that difference. But every single product I got from eCloth is phenomenal. Like I said, wish I would have invested in these sooner. They're going to save me a lot of money, I can see.